deforestation!
Thank you so much. Porter Gale, everybody. Good job. Right on. Okay, so I think we have some of our internet bugs worked out, but we might... Uh-oh.
Stop deforestation!
Yeah. That's the jungle bird. Have you seen the jungle bird? The U.S. Open Golf Tournament got a little piece of the jungle bird, as did David Letterman, I think as did Jimmy Kimmel. Andrew is doing a good job in raising awareness for the rainforest and deforestation and the sustainability of ecosystems under threat. So thank you for interrupting us.
For more jungle bad, please